Hello, today I have another attempt at filming my trick that I've tried to film and messed up on a lot. So, you, basically you ask a spectator any random number between like 1 and 52. Mom, think of another random number. 15? 1? A 2? A 3? A 4? A 5? A 6? A 7? A 8? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and final number 15. Now I'm going to close my eyes and get a good look at that. So you see the card. So now I'm just going to, there's the card, I'm just going to, put it down right there, not looking at it. So now, basically, I don't need that anymore, and I'm just going to, try to, make a, it's hard to roll up, make a card, make, your card, or whatever it was, appear, in my hands. I haven't seen it yet. Okay. The card has appeared. Unfold. Unfold. Is that your card? Well, that should be your card, and I think they match. So yes, those are the two matching cards. I'm sorry I have not posted a tutorial on this, because this is a trick that I came up with completely by myself. When I filmed it, when I showed it to my mother, she thought it was pretty cool, and so thanks for watching, and I'll hopefully make another video soon.